Hi everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for another video. Today I am cash stuffing for the week. I have $4.27 over here that I'm going to be putting into my envelopes. So I'm going to first start off in my wallet and pull out the money that I didn't spend this week. I spent a little bit more this week, but I still have leftovers, so that's good. So spending, I have $7 left in spending, so that's going to go into some savings challenges. Eating out, I have 5 left, so this is also going to go into savings. Groceries, I do have $5 left, so this is going to go into my Costco envelope, so I'll do that later. Coffee, of course I spent everything in coffee. And then buffer, I have $7 left in buffer. So this is gonna go into savings too. Okay, so now I'm just going to fill this back up with all the same amounts that I did last week. So spending is getting, oh, one thing though I have to mention. So when I went to the bank today, I took out money and I had in my cash planning, I had, let me see, this is my little sheet. I had 14 tens that I needed to get, but the teller that I was with didn't have any tens, so I had to get a bunch of fives. So I have tons of fives here, but that's okay, fives are good. At least they're not a bunch of ones, because that would have been too much. But spending usually gets 30. I usually do a 20 and a 10, so I'm gonna have to do a 20 and 2 5s for 30. So that is spending. And then same for eating out, 20 and 2 5s for 30. Hopefully I don't mess this up. I think it should be fine though. And then groceries gets 80, so 50, 70, and then 2 5s. So 50, 70, 75, 80. Coffee gets 20, so I'm gonna do 4 5s. 1, 2, 3, 4 5s. Oh, it's so funny. I was looking at this money. I don't know why I never noticed that the 5 on the back was purple. I just barely noticed that. I think because I'm always counting the fronts, but I'm not paying attention to the back. 5, 10, 15, 20. And buffer gets 10, but 5 and 5 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, so that's my wallet for the week. Now I'm gonna move into, let's see, the white binder. I'm gonna do the white binder next. Okay. And then I have my little sinking funds tracker over here to keep track of everything. So beauty gets 10, so that's 2 5s. And now beauty has 20, 25, 30, 35, 36 in beauty. So 36. Clothing is getting 5. I have lots of 5s going into these envelopes this week. 20, 40, 60, 70, 75 in clothing. 75. Content is getting 5. So content now has 20, 25, 26, 27, 28 in content. 28. Costco is getting 5, but also getting this 5 from my wallet. So it's actually getting 10. So I'm gonna make a little update to this just so it's correct. So 10. And I need to update this tracker too. So Costco now has 10, 15, 20, 25 in Costco. I don't think I'm going to Costco this week, so I'll be able to put more into this next week when I do go. Was that 25? Yeah, 25 in Costco. 25. And then Disney, I'm going to Disney actually tomorrow. So I'm putting 15, so that's 3 5s. 1, 2, 3. So Disney has 20, 40, 45, 50, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59. And Disney, yes, 59. 59. Family is getting 5. So now Family has 50, 70, 80, 90, 95, 96. 96. Fun is getting 10, so that's 2 5s. So 20, 40, 60, 65, 70, 75. Gifts is getting 5. So that's 1, 2, 3, or sorry, 10, 20, 30, 35 in gifts. 35. Hobbies is getting 5. Oh, I only have 10, so that's 15 in hobbies. Holiday decor is getting 5. So 1, 200, 20, 30, 35. So 235 in holiday decor. 235. Home decor is getting 5. So that is 100, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28. 128. 128. Household is getting 5. Lots of 5s. So that's 50, 70, 75, 76 in household. 76. And Target's getting 5. Okay, so far so good. Oh, I only have 10 in Target. Alright, so that is it for the white binder. Now into the black binder next. This one's still a work in progress. I'm still working on these envelopes. But yeah, it's pretty. I like it. Auto repair is getting 5 this week. Actually, yeah, okay. So I have an auto repair 1, 2, 300, 350, 355, 360. An auto repair. Oh wait, yeah, that was in the wrong one. Okay. 360. Christmas is getting 5. So now Christmas has 1, 2, 300, 20, 30, 35. So 335 in Christmas. 335. Electronics is getting 10, so it's 2 5s. Oh, I have money in the bank. Okay, so I have 500 already in the bank, and then I'm gonna add the 10. So in cash, I have 20, 40, 45, 50, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, and then plus 500 is 559. That is correct. Good, good, good. 559. Emergency is getting 20. I have placeholders too. So I have 1,500 in the bank already. So in cash, I have 1, 2, 300, 350, 370, 390, 410. Oh yeah, 410. I didn't think I had that much. Okay, so 410 plus the 1,500 is 1,910. So I'm almost to 2,000. Nice, really good. Okay, 1910. 1910. Extra debt's getting 20. So now extra debt has 50, 70, 80, 85. 85. All right, furniture is getting 5. So now furniture has 20, 40, 60, 65, 70. $70. Rainy day's getting 10, so it's 2 5s. So now rainy day has 20, 30, 40, 45, 50, 55 in rainy day. 55. Registration is getting 5. So now registration has 20, 40, 50, 55, 60. I'm like almost halfway there for registration for next year. And next year in, wait, am I almost halfway? Oh no, I want to say 170. So yeah, still have a little bit more to go for halfway. Road trip is getting 5. So road trip now has 50, 70, 80, 90, 95. This is just gas money for when I go out of town, because gas is so expensive, especially here in California. Scentsy is getting 5. And now Scentsy has 50, 60, 65, 66. 66. Subscriptions is getting 10, so 2 5s. Now subscriptions has 10, 20, 25, 30. $30. And treat yourself is getting 15, so that's 3 5. 1 2 3. So that is now a total of 100, 20, 25, 30, 35, 36, 37, 137. And treat yourself. 137. All right, so that is it for the black binder. Now into the pink one, which is savings, some savings challenges and stuff in here. Except for this one. This one's just Go Wild. So this one is Go Wild. This one's getting 15. 1, 2, 3. 3 5s. Okay, so now I have 100, 5, 10, 15, 20. 120. And Go Wild. I'm saving for next year's trip. 120. All right, so now I'm left with, I hope, what I'm supposed to be left with here. I feel, oh yeah, it should be, because I'm, you know, I don't have any 10, so it seems a little bit odd, but I think this is right. Okay, so let's go to the power up one, because I did already do this one, this challenge. So that's 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So that's the $9 that's going in here. I can get rid of this little sticky note. And I just do this game, and then at the end of the month, I'll take it to the bank. Put it in the savings. Okay. And I'll count it at the end of the month. Let's see how much I have in here. Okay, so that's the power up. And then I have, so I'm done with this thing. So I have a few savings challenges that I was planning ahead for. So I have $10 to go in a $10 challenge, and then 5 to go in a $5 challenge. But I do have a bunch of change over here too. Oh, and also I forgot to do the 100 envelope when I was cash planning. I forgot to cash plan for the 100 envelope challenge. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just going to do, I haven't done any of these lower numbers, so I'm just gonna do 4 because I have a bunch of ones. So 1, 2, 3, 4. I was planning on doing a small number, so this is fine. I wasn't planning on putting a large number in this challenge, but I'm gonna just put this in here if I can open it. So it's $4 in here. And then I also finally got a tracker, so I can kind of track everything. So let me get a marker. I think I was using a pink one, yeah. I might change to black because I kind of don't like that you can't see it very well. But for now, we'll just color this in the 4. All right, perfect. So that's that. That's all done. And now I can move on to the rest of these savings. All right, so I have this $10 one right here, which I made this out of vellum. And my sister drew the little piggy banks, which are super cute. But in my last video, I was asking people, like, because I used nail polish remover to remove the the Sharpie marker, and it started removing like the matte lamination on here, which is, you know, yeah, I didn't want that to happen. So I've been I've been trying out other things. Like somebody said to get like a magic eraser. I tried that. That actually did work. I also did Clorox wipes. That worked too. So there are ways to clean the Sharpie off without like removing the glossy finish, which I'm super happy to see, because I wanted to, when I opened my shop, I wanted to have this like vellum, pretty vellum ones, but I didn't like that they were getting damaged when I was removing it, because that's a bummer. But I feel like if I put those disclaimers and, you know, pass along that info, then it should be fine. So in here, I'm just doing 10, although I have all these ones. You know what? I'm going to do a little bit more because I have so many ones. So, okay, so this was 10. I'll leave these for the 5. I'll just do another 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Just double check it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. So I'm going to put 20. So I can color in 2 more of these little piggies. They're super cute. So I have a pink Sharpie here, and I can color in this guy. So cute. Okay. So I got a nice little pink piggy, and then I have green for the dollar, the money. Okay. So that is all colored, and it looks super cute. And that is, let's put the money, yeah, like that. Okay, so that's $70 so far in this challenge. Nice. Okay, so that is the little piggy one. And then I have the May savings challenge, so I have the 10. But then I'm going to do another 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'll do 15 in this one. And I get to color in 3 of these flowers. So 1, 2, 3. And then I got to color in the petals. 1. I feel like if I wasn't filming this, I could definitely take my time in coloring these, and coloring is definitely very like therapeutic and just relaxing, which is nice. I just feel like I have to go a little bit faster because I'm filming. I mean, not super fast, but you know, definitely don't want to take forever doing this. Okay, but that's a good amount of time, so I think that's fine. All right. So again, I'm putting in 15. So 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 is going into this one right here for the May savings challenge. And then I do have a bunch of ones left, so I just like to stick that back here. I just collect ones. And then eventually it all goes back to savings. So it's just nice to see the ones growing, like all the ones that I have at the end of the week that I can add there. All right, so that is it. That is my cash stuffing for the week. Thank you so much for watching, for choosing to watch all the way to the end, because that really helps out my channel, and I really appreciate you taking the time to do that. But if you are not already, make sure to hit that subscribe button, because I do put out content every single day, so there's always something on my channel to watch and enjoy. If you already are subscribed, or if you're choosing to subscribe, definitely hit that thumbs up button. Leave me a comment down in the comment section, and I hope you have a great day, and I will see you in the next video.